And we have the microscales here. They are super fancy.
Right.
I don't know. I think it was like $30,000.
Wow.
Something. It can weight down to micrograms, and it's complete pain in the ass to work with.
Yeah.
And this is the CHNS, the combustion machine.
Right.
The main point with that is, like, you have a peptide, and every peptide is composed of amino acids, and every amino acid has to contain nitrogen. That's the entire point of amino acids. That's what amino is, an H group. And you can measure absolute content of nitrogen with this.
Yes.
So if you purify your peptide, if you're sure that your peptide is the only thing that's containing nitrogen in your sample, you can either have a very clean sample, very high purity, or you can purify it yourself.
Okay.
So with this machine, you can get a very and extremely accurate quantity without having a standard. So
okay, so if somebody sends like I know it was like a lauralinitide like back like a couple weeks ago, or like, you know, something like a bioglutide that doesn't have like a reference standard. We talked about that with the other one, but like you run it through an HPLC and then you run it through this machine to try to see like
for example, Laura, that one exists actually. So we did run a couple of different things. The HPLC is basic to determine the purity. We run the mass spectrometry to confirm the identity, and then for the quantity for to confirm identity, you can do the NMR, the nuclear magnetic resonance, or this one, given if the sample is pure enough.
Okay.
This one is much faster and more accurate.
Okay.
But you really need to be very sure that your sample is very pure.
Gotcha.
So
after it runs through this, is it like a monogram of like all the different like chains, or like a little like graph, and then how do you...
Well, it gives you a graph of how much carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and sulfur your sample is containing.
Gotcha.
And then you do the calculations yourself.
Gotcha.
For example, this is the sort of machine. Well, you can do old and very, very out-of-date methods, but for example, if you have a whey protein or some sort of protein, this is also the machine that you use to calculate the actual protein content.
Gotcha.
So we've done that. We've tested some whey protein samples to see whether they fit the description, and it works extremely well.
Wow.